Hi there, my name is Vanessa Rhodes, and I'm the creator of Color by the Numbers, an online course from Three Bears Home Staging. Have you ever struggled with choosing the right interior paint color? Do you feel overwhelmed with choices when you walk into a paint store? Ever bought a can of the wrong paint? Are you struggling to find the perfect white paint? Or maybe still trying to figure out the difference between 50 shades of gray? If this sounds familiar, we have the answers you've been looking for. Color by the Numbers is a self-paced online course that teaches you how to use the science of color to get the beautiful design results you want. No more staring at tiny paint chips trying to guess what hidden undertones may be lurking in the background. We teach you the science of color in 7 simple, easy-to-understand lessons and how to apply it in a practical, useful way. You'll also learn how to navigate the same color system that paint manufacturers use to make and manage their product. Once you understand the process, you'll never look at color the same way again. You'll have the confidence that comes from knowing how to choose paint colors with purpose and intention. You can get started immediately. It's online, it's completely at your own pace, and I encourage you to join us. Come aboard and enroll today.